Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you are the device owner and signed into your Apple ID. This is required. Once done, make an immediate backup so you can restore settings and data after any reset. Next, open Settings and go straight to Screen Time to start the recovery flow. This native path validates ownership and avoids erasing unnecessarily. Make sure two-factor authentication can deliver a code to one of your trusted devices because you will need it to proceed. Follow the in-app recovery. Tap Change Screen Time Passcode, then Forgot Passcode. This invokes Apple ID verification. When prompted, enter the Apple ID and password that originally set screen time. Apple will request the two-factor code for security. After verification, you'll be allowed to create a new screen time passcode. Choose one you can remember or store it securely. This method works because it ties the passcode to the account that configured restrictions, preventing unauthorized bypasses. If the Apple ID path fails, for example, the account is unknown or you lack 2FA, you must either erase the iPad and restore from backup or contact Apple for account recovery. Erasing requires your Apple ID to reactivate. Without it, activation lock remains. Once erased and restored, reconfigure screen time using your verified Apple ID. If you get stuck, gather proof of purchase and contact Apple support. They can help reclaim access after validating ownership, which prevents misuse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.